Why to drink water from copper vessel in morning? 1. Kill bacteria. 2. Improve digestive health. 3. Weight loss. 4. Fight cancer. 5. Slow aging. 6. Healthy heart. 7. Regulate thyroid gland. 8. Glowing skin. 9. Stimulate brain. 10. Heals wound faster. How much to drink? 1 glass in morning after waking up and 1 in the evening. Correct way to drink. Jug should be made up of pure copper. Don't buy if it is mixed with other metals. Wash and fill the jug with drinking water and keep it for 6-8 hours and then drink it. Ayurvedic method. You can keep the water for overnight. Drink this stored water very first in the morning after waking up.